Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kalyan Jagdale. Today I am going to teach about stack. What is stack? Take the example. In our daily life, suppose there is a container whose diameter is exactly equal to the diameter of 1 rupee coin. The container is closed at one end. Obviously, other end is open. Now we start inserting coins to it when it gets full and we want to get our money back. We cannot remove them at once. Also, we are restricted to remove coins one by one from the end through which we insert them. Those two things are clear from this insert and remove. We can insert coin into the container from one end only, which is an open end. As we are going to put this container somewhere by keeping its clothes at one floor and open end will be at top while floor touching end will be the bottom. Thus we will insert coin into the container from the top up till it fills completely. And when container fills completely or whenever we need our money back, we start removing coins one by one from the top itself because it is the only open end. Hence, insertion and removal is done from one end only called as top. And also note that the coin which inserted first cannot be removed first. It will be removed when all other top coins above it are removed. Then which coin will get removed first? Obviously, the last coin. Means the coin which we insert last will be the coin which we remove first. Now we can imagine our container is like a data structure called a stack and we can use it for storage purpose. The coin will behave as elements or values. We can add and remove values only from one end of the stack called as top. The operation of addition of element as value is known as pushing of element or value in the stack, that's called as push. And deleting or removing element from the stack is called as pop. If the stack is full, we cannot add new element. Hence before push, we must check for stack full condition. Similarly, if the stack is empty, then nothing can be removed. Hence before removing or pop, we must check for stack empty condition. As the last element, push is the first element that can be popped. The data structure stack is called as LIFO. That is last in, first out. Thank you. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Kalyan Jagdale. Today I am going to talk about Q. We can imagine Q just like any Q in our everyday life. In a queue, the man who arrives at first stands at front end of the queue, and who comes last stands at last end of the queue. Also, the man who comes first leaves the queue first from the front end, and who comes last gets added at the last end. Thus, when we use queue as a data structure, the elements are removed from the beginning and new elements are added at the last. As first in element is the first to go out, this data structure is described as FIFO, that is first in, first out. Q can be represented by both array method and linked list method. The basic operation are add the element at the end and delete the element from begin. While adding an element, we should take care about queue is full or not. And while deleting elements, we should take care of queue is empty or not. The queue full condition is particularly important in case of array because array has storage limit. In case of linked list, queue full condition becomes important only when the computer's memory itself gets full. And in implementation of queue using array, it includes creation of queue, addition element into queue, deletion the element from the queue, and display the queue element. Thank you. Thank you so much.